to online math lessons with Miss J. We'll see how this goes, eh? In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about pairs adding to 5. So which two numbers make 5 altogether? Now, because God has given us hands with 5 fingers, we're going to be using our hands to figure out which two numbers add up to 5. So we will start over here. We have one finger up, so we have 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers down. So 1 and 4 equals, always, 5 fingers on one hand, 5. So if we change it to, here we have 4 fingers up, which means 1 finger will be down. 4 and 1 equals 5. Here we have 2 fingers up. If we have 2 fingers up, we will have 3 fingers down. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And now we have the opposite. Now we have 3 fingers up, which makes 2 fingers will be down. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 fingers up, which means 0 fingers are down. 5 plus 0 equals 5. So if you have your child do this along with us, if they put up 5 fingers, they should have 0 fingers down, which makes 5 altogether. 5 up, 0 down equals 5. If they put up 3 fingers, they should have 2 fingers down, and of course, we always have 5 fingers on our hand, hopefully. 3 and 2 equals 5. 2 fingers up. If they put up 2 fingers, they will have 3 fingers down. 2 and 3 equals 5. 4 fingers up. That will make 1 finger goes down. 5 fingers all together. 0 fingers up. 5 fingers down. Still 5 fingers all together. And 1 finger up, 4 fingers down, 5 fingers all together. So your child should be able to figure out what our missing number is. If they stick up 4 fingers, how many fingers are down to make 5 fingers all together? 4 fingers up, 1 finger down, 5 fingers all together. So we will do this one together. Put 3 fingers up. How many fingers are down? 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5 fingers all together. 4 fingers up, which means 1 finger is down, 5 fingers all together. 0 fingers up, which means all 5 are down, still have 5 fingers. And we've also been talking about this, that yes, sometimes the all together goes at the end. We can also put it at the beginning. So we have 5 fingers all together. If we stick up 2 of them, we will have 3 fingers down. 5 fingers all together. If we stick up 5 of them, we will have 0 down. 5 fingers all together. We stick up 4 of them. We will have 1 down. 5 fingers all together. You stick up 0 of them. You will have all 5 down. And now we're going to do it the other way around. We're still always ending up with 5 fingers all together. If you have 4 of them down, how many are you sticking up? 1. 5 fingers all together. If you have 2 of them down, how many are sticking up? 3. 5 fingers all together. 3 of them are down. 2 of them are sticking up. And hopefully your child is starting to figure out that the 3 always goes with the 2. So 3 up, 2 down, 2 up, 3 down, 2 down, 3 up, 5 down, 0 up. So once we get those pairs in our head, what number always goes with 2? Then we can do the figure out takeaway as well. If we have 5 and we end up with 2, either up or down, we'll know that the other number is 3. Start with 5. If we end up with 4, either sticking down or up, we know that the number that goes with 4 is 1. What number goes with 1? 4. What number goes with 3? 2. What number goes with 5? 0. This takes a while for some of us to remember these number pairs. So we're going to be working on that in our math book. Let's move this over so you can see it. So on page 65, here they're showing how many fingers go up. So let's look at the example. 3 fingers are up, 2 fingers are down, 5 fingers all together. So count how many go up, and then how many are down, and how many all together. Fairly simple, I think, on the first page. That's page 65. And on page 66, you're going to have to, or your child is going to have to remember the number pairs. So what number goes with 1 to make 5? 1 finger up, how many fingers down? 4 fingers up, how many fingers down? Up and down as well, also for takeaway. 5 take away 1, so put 1 down, how many do you have left over? They will get confused over here if you don't help them. Okay, so 2 pages in our math book today. But because this is a pretty important concept and your child is not going to remember this fast enough, then we sometimes go to an app to help us, and we have a very good game on ABC, yeah? That's not ABC, yeah? It's called Mathline. There we go. So on ABC, you can get on for free if you are on a desktop. And if you have one of my tablets, you can log in as well. I'm going to tell you the login. So you can access it by putting my name in, Miss J. And your kids actually know what the password is. GCS123. You can log in. Sure, we'll save it. Okay, then we're going to go to grade 1, to numbers, and where's Mathline edition? There it is.
Dino Mathline edition.
So today we've been adding up to 5, so your child should practice adding up to 5.
Clear the balls by forming pairs that add up to the number you selected. You can use one ball to clear a group of same-numbered balls.
Your child should know how to play this game, but... So, when we practice today that 2 goes with 3, so you can shoot it at the 3. 2 goes with 3, shoot it at the 3. And 3 goes with 2, so you would shoot it at the 2. The idea is to get rid of all the balls before they go down into the hole. I don't have a 3. Now I do. Etc. Okay, math lesson number 1. Happy working, everyone.